wekangu luluwena uyana unkangu.
We are dongo na kabasusa, we are kabasu ya lale.
We are dongo na kabasusa, we are kabasu ya lale.
Lulu wekangu luluwena uyana unkangu.
Lulu wekangu luluwena uyana unkangu.
We are dongo na kabasusa, we are kabasu ya lale.
We are dongo na kabasusa, we are kabasu ya lale.
Sinita barbeni kabasina. Round table, Jongaran jibu sipe jibu salamo. Salva kidire salgowi mafi zolbi kabasina. Kelina limu idasawa mafi zolbi aderlena.
Lulu wekangu
Luena uyana unkangu.
Lulu wekangu luluwena uyana unkangu.
We are dongo na kabasusa, we are kabasu ya lale.
We are dongo na kabasusa, we are kabasu ya lale.
Lulu wekangu luluwena uyana unkangu.
Lulu wekangu luluwena uyana unkangu.
We are dongo na kabasusa, we are kabasu ya lale.
We are dongo na kabasusa, we are kabasu ya lale.
Kabasu baba majaladia, ajala kama masasi kwa mama kabasu. Sista kabasu, ito kabasu. Mafizo bi kabas nina tami maraha. Mafizo bi kabas nina tami.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians. Welcome to another episode of the No Koni Talk Show, an advocacy platform who will advocate for the independence of Ambazonia, for the restoration of our statehood and complete independence for Ambazonian and absolute separate from La République du Cameroon. This one, na the No Koni Talk Show. Now, show where we talk the truth, we hold truth to power, and we advance policy them, where they help Ambazonia for be more effective for execute our liberation movement. I want to welcome all now once more for this platform, and I will take time for Saloduna as our tradition it be. After we then start to play the music after our national anthem. So all man una day for this platform, una come good, una welcome for this show. We get a lot of things that for game today for una, including our operation, the way they go on for our capital city for Bamenda, as the CIC, it then order an operation then take place. The announcement become before the operation, so it then already put our soldier them to the test, and they then pass the test very big time. I will also inform una about the operation that we will carry them out for inside our territory. One of our big camp will be attacked. Our main base will be for inside Kugwe. We will then move that main part for our base, put them for inside another area. That area then be attacked twice. We then also go on the offensive. So I will give una all those details, and I will also play some audios them today for una for give una the situation for the great state of Bui, where that happened. I will update una about the great state of Ndonga and Mantung. La Republic be on the offensive. We then still see they then get into operation with the Mbororo militia, the way they be using for Garabu. They then come down, they then attack a village, a small village, they call and say Fang. They use artillery shells them. They hold that area away in a very quiet area, then be traumatized. You would yes say they even affect wildlife for Kimbi Game Reserve, one of the sanctuaries of wildlife for the Savannah states. All man, it be welcome once more. If you do watch me, as I always talk, we don't always focus on the 10% critical thinkers, the 10% influential people them from Ambazonia. And today we'll be very happy to say people that they come around and all man they talk today about 10%. But as we talk, it take a lot of time for people that will come around, which will be done to do for a long time. So once more, una be welcome, and we will invite una make una stand up fine for place on a day. Make we go inside our national anthem. Una permit me, I will take them from YouTube, and I will play them directly. So any place on a day, whether na for ground zero, or na for abroad, una stand up at a lot, make we sing our national anthem. For your own way, you show your own respect for your country. Okay. There we go. Akodi Cafe, my own brother, Mr. Divine Kum, I salute una for America and all side with all man day. Make we first sing our national anthem and then I will come back for all man.
Amazonia, this nation loyalty. Praises to our Savior who granted us the freedom. And legend to the hero from all the land we gather. Glory to glory, we rise and never to fall. Here in a nation, growing with earth and holy. Glory, glory. Glory to the Father for making you a nation, a joy forevermore. Amazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of this nation. Amazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need. And your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of this nation.
Amazonia, Amazonia, land of freedom, land of promise. The Most High God Himself is the watchman of our nation. And like I always say, the God who is the watchman of our nation have a way of vomiting fake people in this revolution. And I'm here to tell you, Amazonia, that we are winning, not just winning on the battlefield, but on the diplomatic field, we are winning very, very fatly. And the enemies of La Republique and a lot of their infiltrators who are still in the struggle, parading themselves like believers of our nationalism, why they are not, we are seeing them trying to play the card to discourage our people with the United Nations presentation. But I can assure you that even though the chairman, the president of the Amazonian Governing Council, the leader of our revolution, is not very satisfied with the performance of some key people we were counting on in the United Nations, the UNUCA, I can tell you after discussing with some big humanitarian actors that had a significant input in that discussion in the United Nations Security Council are very, very satisfied, and it is really on track with our strategy of gunboat diplomacy. The level of engagement have changed, and it is recognition of the hard work that the AGOVC have been doing together with our international partners to make sure that our independence, we can achieve it as soon as possible. So I go brief una inside that one to give una a little bit update, and I go try to catch up with a lot of things the way they go on. We will never get time for put them. So I salute una all una come good. Una place them day for our commander de Ground Zero. I call una cafe General Kapora as called your cafe the Lion of Bui. I salute una all. General Ebube, King of the Forest. General Efang, a marvelous job on Randuam. General Labista, I salute una all. Commander Sumanguru, I salute una all. For Ground Zero, Commander Yellow, all now una cafe then day for up. Una place them day. And for our hierarchy, I salute them Mami Wali, Ayamba, DDCS, DDCA, PS, and all man and all our fervent and resilient activist Bella Franklin, the man where he done show say he's strong past Baptist pastor. When I know say Baptist pastor, they be preach like for 3 hours, 4 hours, they need retired. But I tell you that say Bella Franklin, a man where he get tenacity, he get in a man a patriot. I love that young man. He's such a wonderful guy. He does not lie, you know. It's very important. He does not lie. And I want welcome una. Not time for me for welcome una. I play una one song, a revolutionary song where I be learn. I be hear this song from my Southern Sudan activist. He will be my neighbor, and we'll become very close. And through he, I come to know this song, and I like it so much. I'll see play it again. and I will use it to welcome everybody in the house. Samson Gideon, welcome. Grand frère, Mr. Cook, Divine, welcome in the house. I can see you are Solo Josh in the house. You're welcome. You're welcome. Nitrom, you're welcome. Marikwa, you're welcome. Jaden Dylan, you're welcome. Roman, welcome to the house. I will put something inside today. We are done for the facts. And how proud to be. I want to salute our brigade of Mamela, three of the lucky interaction, cut electricity, expand them down. Mamela now is running on the generators, so I will tell you what's going to happen. So I'm Leslie, welcome in the house. I think yeah, it's too high. Is it better now? Amber Freedom, welcome. Andre Bike, welcome. Minister of Chop Life, welcome. We salute all our Ground Zero. I want to salute all our commanders, our commander Boss Dam. I salute you, according to Cafe. Brian Ashu, powerful, very powerful activist. I salute you. Dylan, you are welcome. Esther Wilson, you are welcome. I want to salute all the community, especially the Ambazonia community for Gabon, the one for Ghana, the one for Kenya, the one for all sub-Saharan African countries, the one for South Africa, the one for France, all the one that would be in touch with me, the one for Cyprus. Would try, would be happy to see the human rights organization would contact them. They're happy to try for help on our day, and I will be very happy with that. So, all my people, welcome to the house. So, we get a lot for Giapuna today. So, you know, we'll be like 1 hour, it will be like 2 hours, because a lot of things that they will need to pass and go for now. And I want to show say our world go on fine and the direction it go on perfectly. So I will start my first the music. I think I will go directly. And welcome, Joe Brown, welcome. Okay, I go wanna drop this okay, I want to just get some person in number for me be on the ready so that I'll give una some information. Some audio then there I need to play and for una make una hear. Those will be groundbreaking audios. Okay, what is this guy? Okay, I cannot find it right now, so I'll leave it, but I'm going to go straight in my presentation right away. So, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Ambazonians, Wusa una day for abroad and for Ground Zero, I salute una once more and I welcome una for this show, the No Konitok Talk Show. Nami Kapo Daniel, Lukong, Sense Past King, una Ambazonian FBI, the man where the talk truth, the truth teller, and then come again once more for talk for una and for talk for una for our country talk. And the first language for Ambazonia when a Pidgin English. Now a unique language where then be forged out of our colonial heritage from the German period to the time for the British period. Them now we would then design this language, this unique way for we to communicate, because we as African people then. This white man their country talk, the British people their country talk, in the work I find for a mop, it may make our tongue it confused. If you look, even America them, black American them, they don't talk English like white American them. The one that Jamaican are the same thing, for Sierra Leone are the same thing. Make we not begin force on thing way in the go. The English they so na a form of assimilation as they always talk am. Because language not be just a means for communicate, but it preserve your cultural heritage. And it be very important, say me the language we talk be na the one way it reflect our sociological environment. So this pidgin English it be very important. It be very important we talk pidgin, we go modernize them. BBC they use pidgin. We get enough people the way they don't learn for good book linguistic them where they feel standardized pidgin language where it be used even for court. Now as I talk for now, all our doctor them for Ambazonia, all our nurse, their language of operation is pidgin. So why they not go to study for that pidgin for school? You go even for court. No matter which way lawyer they talk and for inside judge, they go translate them again for pidgin because na the language that way the people they understand. And for market na pidgin. All side na for pidgin. Now only when politicians they want lie, they can start begin talk big talk. So I want salute all now. Labista, Commander Labista, Spike, Captain Spike, Commander Yellow. I already take them a salute or commander them. Plenty time people they hear only work with general they do their leadership. They need to hear with you our commander they do and our foot soldier them. I want just take this time for salute them all. For tell them say shake no day, shake no day. So we will start our presentation by looking into the speech with Dr. Cho Ayaba, the leader of our revolution, Ibidangiam. In that speech, Dr. Cho Ayaba revealed some very important things the way I believe as an activist what people they need to be aware. Dr. Cho he talk a quote, we are talking to the international community and we are on track. And this particular thing with Dr. Cho Ayaba he talk now about the engagement with the Ambazonian Governing Council get them directly with the international community. We don't get a very high level of international engagement now it don't pass the way we be before. As we know very well, during the time with the European Union, it be decide for help the Ambazonian people them and the people them for Cameroon, both sides of the territory, both for the side for the Mongo for our side and the side for Francophone their side, for inject with us and for give us the European Institute of Peace through our international partners and the work of OMPO. Dr. Cho Ayaba, the governing council head, he don't get direct engagement with some country, their president them. That means he don't get direct discussion with some head of states, over 3 of them. But unfortunately, these diplomatic moves them, will be start for Basque country will be part of that mission. It will be torpedoed by the people the way they will go partner with the HD, then go for inside the European Institute of Peace, then go sabotage them, then go sign on to the HD. It just destroy completely all the diplomatic progress we don't get them. But I'll be very happy for announce and for say we don't be back on track and will be very good. The statement made by Dr. Cho Ayaba that we are talking to the international community reflects the progress and the level of engagement, high level of engagement that the international community is now having with the Ambazonian Governing Council. We have been able to now make our case the best way that it could possibly be made with one of the most best articulated leader of our revolution, Dr. Cho Ayaba. We are confident in his presentation. We are confident say any place where that man go talk for day, he go express for the perfect way to we want them, and he go gain that respect from the international community. Say we not only the fight against something, but we are fighting for something where it be legitimate. So now the thing that I want to talk about that one, Dr. Cho Ayaba also talked about the need for a process for a negotiated settlement, because as the pain of the war it go, as the sacrifices for our people them, for both the students them, both the people the way they sacrifice for close their shop them for Country Sunday, as this humanitarian burden it increase, what people they need to be sure, say the leader for our revolution they do everything so that may we enter for negotiation. But Dr. Cho Ayaba explained for his speech, say the process they determine the outcome. So it be very important, may we fight for get a fairer process so that it will guarantee say the outcome it will be in a one way, it will be satisfactory for both sides. He also give plenty example them for negotiation them, the one for Teme Tigers and the Sinhalese for Sri Lanka, and it show the need for fight for make sure so we get a fair process. We don't see say plenty process then they way the Republic of Cameroon they don't try for use their agents them for sure and for we for see say we go deny because they be feel say we just one na just war, we be na foolish people, they will already think. So then come up with this process where Akeremo na be go bring them. Say me will go meet up with all the head of states and for Africa for a conference where it will take place for inside Kenya. They be feel say we be na foolish people, they will not like to talk. I don't know what other people them what did go on for their brain. They already think so over foolish. But as they be approach the various movement them, our leader they be accept for go meet up the conference where it will take place for inside Kenya, and because we accept them cancel them. So it is shown I say they don't test we for plenty side. Unfortunately, some rogue leaders them where they will be desperate for political power, they will go engage with this HD project without knowing the ramification, and it don't cause us very big loss diplomatically. It don't drag this war again for one more year. We hope say Ambazonian people they don't wise up so that when we talk say make we not enter for any kind of process we know will give our people them a satisfactory outcome. It be very important. We no want to pass this struggle, this burden for the colonization to another generation. We must make sure say we will finish this struggle for this our generation. So for that update, we go leave them now. We go talk say one of our detainees, our prisoners in Kondengi, he don't use the time for learn online so he don't get certificate. We want congratulate Benji and for talk say it show the spirit of Ambazonians them. So we not being a lazy people. Even for prison, if you make something good out of your life. So we want salute Benji and congratulate you for your success. We don't get time for your online course and for talk for all our prisoners of war. So we did together with them, hand to hand. I will also want to talk about what really happened for the great state of Ndonga Mantung, in particularly for Nkambe. For Nkambe, they would see say the gendarmerie way they for the commandant for gendarmerie for Eastern Nkambe, it don't start get problem for they with the SDU. Una know say for for Nkambe, na place where La Republique they don't use huge sum of money for manipulate the population for bribe them and for make sure say make Nkambe a fall. But we see say even when Nkambe they the way they we don't block Nkambe because of our blockage of Nkambe to make sure say we will charge all motorway they come, charge all passengers already they enter for them they need the crowd. Huge money for can begin corrupt our people. They don't begin relying on only for bring helicopter and for carry things and for bring them with armor car. So what you want to see for inside, I bring the picture them from Nkambe. Me gonna see them. Na people in this from Nkambe, this so na trader in this Nkambe. We police they don't catch them, Ekelebe they don't catch them, torture them, go lock them for inside prison. Say na picking the way they na amber boy them. The one are just normal people from Nkambe where they don't accept that compromise situation from Nkambe, they live their life. They go buy petrol for Nigeria, cancel them from Nkambe. Go buy savon for Nigeria, cancel them for Nkambe. So now what's where it happen for Nkambe? Now say wait, I bring the picture. When I see the SDO for Nkambe, now Anglophone, I they call them Anglophone because Anglo fool them. Now Ambazonia the way them feel say they go join La Republique, begin play with we. So the Nkambe, the SDO name arriving, I don't know place where I write down my name self. Okay, the SDO name na Simon Nkwenti Simon. Now an Ambazonia way Pobi Adam see say they be don't lose the battle for put their people that made them rule over we. So they now they decide for appoint so-called Anglophone they mean they come take that position. Then now he way this wa brother way he don't join La Republique, Mr. Simon Nkwenti Ndo. Now he dey now for inside Nkambe like the SDO. So what way they happen now? I say they funds them traditional rulers of Nkambe. They don't talk say they go decide for fight like Republic because of which way they happen for Nkambe due to our blockade. When I remember, so we block Nkambe right from Buide, we block them for back, we block them all around. So the only way petrol they enter for Nkambe, savon they enter for Nkambe na through Ekelebe them. Now the commandant the brigade way there for Nkambe, Mr. Henry and Danzebe. Na Bulu army man, he dey for day. He call the SDO, say the SDO na nothing na small pikin. He need to take orders from SDO. So this pikin, they were boy the way they go say, they go buy sabon for cancel and for inside Nkambe. They don't catch them, be bitter all or lock them up for prison. Why? Because wait, They beat them when they live. They use the blockade like a means for make money. The Cameroon military, they go buy savon, cancel them, buy petroleum, cancel them. They sell 1 liter for petrol for Cambe, 1,000. But when the boy they go buy them for Nigeria, cancel them for there 650. So man say might change the date. Yes, now true that date be wrong. Now June, when I give me 1 minute, might change date. Now 15 now, 15 of June. So for Cambe, the SDO, where they for day, Mr. Quincy Simon, the commandant brigade, it tells say be no man, be no person. So Cambe the one divide into two. The population they ran the sense they go fight the La Republique for instance Cambe. Because La Republique they use the blockade for Cambe for begin make money. The commandant where they for day they call na Henry Danzebe na Bulu Betty man. He don't catch all people there they say fungi. For instance, Cambe go lock them. When I see that now the boy and this how they don't beat them, say they go send them for Yaoundé, say na Amba boy them. Civilian the way when I run the say so na go take bribe, send Cambe. Now them way they can't beat una. A Kerebe they say savon, they say Maggi cube, they say petrol, they fight for get autonomy. They fight for get monopoly power for instance Cambe. Wata na wata. So the SDO don't fight to release the people them. They beat them for they don't talk that commandant. He don't talk say go kill the boy them. So mo una put una iPhone Cambe. Una see how they go kill una Cambe. How una run the side so una go take bribe for say Ambazonia for say 8 million people them for get more comfort. Now only una go see the people them for they how they treat una Cambe. They una own go come. So mo left the one for Ndonga Mantung. Don't Maturan yesterday the first ever attack where it don't happen for against the TTA their camp. It don't happen for inside Batibo. I will give you more details about that one. But before that, I want to talk for now about the issue where Ni John Frundi it don't do. Ni John Frundi don't run. From where to the year, Frundi be no say Pobia will start key people them. How they don't keep Mbandam. When I know Mbandam be the same money for TTA, it be the support Ambazonian struggle for use them for politics. So most of the D when Dangote it became game for Pobia for Frundi, me Frundi became infiltrate Ambazonian struggle. We no self so don't get some evidence say it gets so agent the way then they try to use the South African base to inject themselves inside the revolution where they will work now for Frundi. We don't discover all those links them as well. But we know now say that the reason that way Frundi is run. We know now say now one of the reasons that way probably Abdul Karim he run La Republique he go for Canada. Now one of the reasons then they say the deal where the Cameroon government be get out them, it no be the work. The Cameroon military be done start agitate and Abdul Karim be the fierce they fit catch it to lock him. Frundi too be the fierce they fit catch it lock him because say them done chop money for La Republique to try for make sure say me this our struggle it fail. If una not believe me, una go ask Abdul Karim say who be and how they record them and that one on who for you wouldn't get most of the information them already about that issue them concerning them. A lot of people them they don't be compromised. When I don't see say even the small journalists where they criticize government they catch and lock them. Those one the way they video push them in and go criticize the government because they want to give them a foothold for our struggle. Those one they don't be exposed with time. But I'm not going to waste my time for that one so much. If the need be for we for bring those evidence, them I go bring them. But I think say it not be very very necessary. But I want those inform when I say Pa Frundi, he go for America not be on his own. He go now because he run. Abdul Karim also go for them now because he run. He no go back for La Republique. He know which way they pursue them for day. So one for inform the Ambazonian people that make them be aware. Bandam they kiki all those big lawyer them for inside La Republique as the time for transition it don't reach. Now at time where they neutralize a lot of them and all man they fear for your life. Most of those even big CPD and people then they are sensing their family they are abroad. Now but tell the Ambazonia they say these people are devils. We cannot live together with a system like this. So the Mad King transition it go on. When I see how Brenda Bia Iran come out again release another video and this video then be very indicative of what way it happened. When I see the last video where the Pekin be make them outside, Make I play that video. The last video where Brenda Bia be put up outside, it cry, it show it eye. All these videos then be very important because when I remember say before this issue where Paul Bia one be put in a state of practical arrest. Paul Bia no physically come up for Cameroon again. Not only because of the coronavirus, but we know say they don't bring a family member or they don't put them for this and a time for them to sit down to decide the future for that their country. You get two camps them. You get the camp for Mr. Paul Bia and a Bulu Beti clique where they still want to continue their business as usual. You get the other camp for the French government and the Swiss government where they try to bring political concession them for see the country will remain the way we be according to them, for inject Maurice Kamto. Those two faction them. The best case for winner say me them fight each other, me them get infighting. So we don't see say Paul Bia self no be free for come up for day, no be free. And the thing in that way they come for that Ipikini video, the way it don't come outside. When I see the first video.
Regardez mon œil gauche, man. Avant le corona, j'ai vu mon docteur qui m'a dit que mes yeux.
When I see the Pikini, they cry, they talk about coronavirus, talk about the eye and all those things. Them, it already been a coronavirus. We not believe say coronavirus and catch she, but we believe say it be indicative. It give Ambazonia them an idea for way to way it happen. When I remember say the video, that way make the video, it cry, they show it eye, they talk say it need medicine. From where to what I get them information, what I get and I say it try and run come up for Cameroon. It want try way if you make motive, me then carry go France. But we no day. When I see the second video where that move this time the video it show how the girl the make let's say that craze. But one thing when I say the girl no back craze. Na girl way get sense, you know where to where they do am.
Donc je suis tellement dans le mal ici au pays. Tellement dans le mal, regardez.
So when I see the video then for Brenda Bia, she is not crazy. She's not the craze. She not the papule. Not be crazy where this girl the craze. Now very very intelligent girl. I put up the picture of the other video before I make this comment on this segment. So Brenda Bia is not crazy. She's not crazy. From information the world and get them. From when I see the later way a lawyer don't send later for outside the talk say me they release me a tanganji pour them release it. Because wait if it can be trap for day. When I notice and say for all this cry the way they cry, you know they call a mommy in name, you know they call a papa in name. Not be because say a papa and a mommy they no day. Not be because say Pikin go cry, you know go call a papa and a mommy. Normally, when I expect say Brenda Bia for cry for first call na mommy, where mon père, where mon mama. Because the time where we come over France, they come for Twitter, it be talk only about it papa them. But either reach there, either she don't quiet. Because the reason why they bring it for Cameroon for holding now because they fear say it go be na a loose cannon for give out information way to way they happen for day. So for them for control information flow, now even then catch it can lock put it for lockdown. Now even then put it for lockdown so they begin to cry, say me they release it. A lawyer they cry, a friend they reach out, they some of them they give us information. Way to way they go inside there, but we know now say transition it go on for La Republic to Cameroon. They want try to make some transition. The two comes them, they never ready to fight each other the way we would expect say they go fight, but we know say they go reach for place where they go fight. So they are so-called constitutional council, not judicial council, where Paul Bia be the head. When I know say Paul Bia be the head of their judicial system. My people them would not suffer. So when I see the country, it be ruled by ghost. It be ruled by ghost. But I play the video. I'm not sure if I get that video, but anyway, when I hear say their constitutional council that the whole meeting, from the indication the whole year, they want to have a try for make some way for replace Paul Bia. The Bulu Beti people then they want to replace Paul Bia. We know their choice where they already put them forth. But we don't want to dwell on that because it need to help our struggle in any way. We don't want to move people that begin be so captivated by waiting God for La Republic. But we know say they don't have they prepare a document where it go talk say they go limit the presidential time limit for Cameroon from 7 years to 5 years. We also hear say the document it talks say it go limit age. Say man where they above 65 years, he no go fit be president for La République du Cameroon, he no go fit run for presidential election. We also hear say the one transform the position, the one cancel the position for prime minister and then put the position of a vice president where the French government want me them put na Akere for day so that they go transit. But Mr. Pobia and Ibulu Beti people them then get their own idea to continue power. So when they talk say they want me them put na Frank Biya for day. And then after Pobia go die or they go kill him, then me the Frank Biya take power. So those things they would expect and say within this coming week, probably on Monday, we go here say La République that make constitutional amendment them. The process that already start. But we not say all those things them. Now just reason for we Ambazonian for no say will not be concerned. They need to think about we will not be in a part of that country. We need to fight, come up for our own side. So we now also here I'll bring this issue up concerning the Wazizi because it's a very important issue that before I want to go for a main presentation to talk about the war where they go on. But the issue concerning Wazizi, it has been a very, very big issue where during the diplomatic, the UNUCA, the issue don't come up, it don't bring people center stage. From information that we don't get from our exchange with humanitarian worker, the way they be involved for fight for human rights, nothing but fight for human rights for our country. They don't overstand for Wazizi. Wazizi don't represent the real conduct of La République du Cameroon for the international community. The French government don't try every way to go around the international system to protect their interests for Cameroon. But the case for Wazizi, after the case for Ngabu, it showed the international community say this is not a system that they can count on to protect the interests or human dignity for Ambazonia. Wazizi way be na just a normal if it work for CMTV for Douala Day, if it do normal work as a journalist, go around interviewing people, them present debate and all those stuff them, because it criticized La République du Cameroon for 2nd of October 2019. After it criticized La République du Cameroon like a normal journalist, they can't give you convocation, me go for police station, from there you go for police station, then catch you for police station, send them for be their camp, their torture camp, now for the way then go kill you, then torture you to death. The international community they don't talk say no, this one it not be possible. Say for the 21st century, media allow this type of violation me to go on. So that also see say the media watchdog, it don't talk say this is the worst crime against journalism in the past 10 years in La République du Cameroon, and something must be done. They are calling for independent investigation. The United States of America, they don't promise say their embassy go stand up for the family for Wazizi and the lawyer them for make sure say me they get justice. And we believe say this case it will expose La République and it will bring the matter of Ambazonian as independent country through this case as well, because it go na true. You remember saying a true humanitarian law where any country people invoke the right of protection. So believe say the case for Wazizi, it get that potential, and the international community don't use it very much for UNOCO for talk about the issue where the French government no fit protect Cameroon if the Cameroon government na their conduct this. So we don't see people them like Chuta Bernard, people them francophone they like Chuta Bernard, they don't come out and talk. It show we say that the kind of people in this way, if they be there by that country for at least if we say if we talk with them.
300 jours torturé. Il a sévi, on l'a fait subir, sévi corporel.
So now see, Chuta Bernard, he don't stand to the talk. Now good football player, this like an African. For sure, when I say this type of things will not be acceptable. It not be acceptable. Say a government go catch journalists where they don't talk news. For more than 30 days, them beat and shoot kill am. Torture and shoot kill and carry body go throw am for inside bush. They no inform him family, he no see family, he no see woman. Like say that one, not correct. La République again, they can't begin take money for a family. Say, hey, they go release here, me give me money, bribery and corruption on top of that one. So this government not get. There is no hope of any change in this government. When I look at brother, when I hear from my brother, the conduct of La République du Cameroon, When they don't catch you, boy.
Abu Henry Ndoga. I be the senior brother for Wazizi. Asa Wazizi be there for Moya police. They take for Moya police. They never ever call we. If you forget in touch with Wazizi, we never ever get them. Since they carry come out, I try for follow up, going up right to 21 battalion. I go Tonton for day. They drive me for day. And the driver said they never ever lock. They need lock person for day. They drive me for day. I come back for judicial police. Can't Tonton for day. Come out for day. Come back for Munya. Check what you have to do. It pass me. They call me say Wazizi day. I one day. Play where the police Wazizi for day. You know they fine. Me send 30,000. Me they change for the place. I tell them I say 30.
When I hear, then call a family where they already killed a boy. This is how low these people are. How barbaric, how satanic these people are. Even when they don't kill his small brother, then call the family for phone. Tell you say the brother there for inside here on the day. Plus they keep it no fine. If you want me to make it like me be a little bit comfortable. Inside hell. Send money. These people them. When I hear.
The problem. My problem I say go for the prison, you give what is the phone, maybe now you talk, I will send you the 30,000, even at 50,000, I will send them. So now so it pass, the man if you call him again, I should don't, what we should do for you, we find always okay, see what is no way, no day. Stay with the carrier and die way, they will say what is don't die. No man ever call me for 10 minutes and so. The man will pass now her, lawyer the day, journalist the day, when they follow matters, then the partner half can see me for 10 minutes. Wazizi, they don't tell me say Wazizi don't die. Deny. No man if you talk no TV for every tell we now who say where the brother day for every go.
Very very sad, unacceptable, and the reason why we need to fight with all our might, with all what we have. We need to try and for the people them for make sure say me this type of thing it not happen. Not be only the Wazuzu. You even get another one to another journalist say because of the cases, his own case don't come up. Where they call Njoka Kingsley, a normal journalist. Joka Kingsley since the 15th of May 2020, then Kachi, they don't keep it incommunicado. Just because he criticized that their government, just criticism. Then Kachi put it incommunicado. A family no be see, no man no be see, they don't know place where they. Now because of the case of Wazizi where they don't talk say the government not accept say they, then carry go charge you again for terrorism. For terrorism, journalists, a crime for criticize na terrorism. Another one subsidy again they call na Marcos, Ebilitu Marcos where then catch it for Moliko for Boya, for checkpoint for Moliko for Boya. Then move for inside motorway passenger they see him. Then catch that man since 2018. Marcos, a family na journalist too, no man nobody see, they nobody no place a day. Then the one of the Janam we carry we be catchy, the B, a brother-in-law call the family, say me then give money, they go show place a day, they go move money, they move 400,000 gram for ye. Where family till today they never see Marcos. Never see Marcos. For tell una this type of people them. We cannot live with this type of people. Very bad people, they don't get no value for human life. Would you hear now say Human Rights Watch? Human Rights Watch, now it don't send letter for international community. Say the coronavirus center for Bamenda, they never receive any $1 so for la République du Cameroon, their government. Say for the past 25 years, the international, the World Health Organization, if we get until where they call and say Health Solidarity Fund, where they put money for them every year for la République, their government, meaning they can begin support hospital, they mean and get infrastructure for an emergency like this one. So the Human Rights Watch, it doesn't send this one also for the international community, say la République du Cameroon, they must can't talk with all that money they, because they need to understand how for coronavirus hospital no get no provision at all. So you see, even for inside the Douala, how people they die for coronavirus without any help. The government they allow people to meet and die because they want go take money for international community. So they no get no value for human life. Now Douala this. See Douala, no quarantine, no, they never get no face mask, no protection against coronavirus. People they go on normal, they
regarde dans les bars. Hein, regarde dans les bars, les gars s'embrassent, se parlent bouche à bouche, hein, avec des questions.
La République.
Qui bouge pour l'autre, ça ne dit rien à personne.
Comedy country.
Cette culture, ce manque d'éducation, ce manque d'encadrement.
Nous sommes tous scandalisés par ce relâchement de la population. Mais qu'allons-nous faire? C'est une décision qui émane des pouvoirs publics. C'est à eux de trouver des solutions pour mettre la population et les Camerounais en sécurité.
So people they die for day. People they die for them for coronavirus every day. They die for Douala, they cry, they die Betwa, they die. Their government they open a bar. The only country where they close all things, they open only bar. They close everything, they open only bar. So the international community, it don't talk say the Cameroon government must show us all that money, it don't go. They must bring all that money where the international community to give all that millions and millions show us that money, it don't go. The country now morally backward, bankrupt country. We not live with these people then because they go corrupt our culture, because their culture then they now like na virus for we. When I see him for Douala, that same Douala, some group wanna pay them. You wanna pay them for inside Douala. Man picking them for inside Douala. 5 man picking them, then go rent house for inside Douala day. Every afternoon, people they see the 5 man picking and they can't enter that house. Begin do La République, wanna see what they do in Africa. Our culture, that's so. The one we did, now they can't people they can't rule over we. No wonder why they kill human life, they like nothing. 5 able man picking them for Douala, then go rent house. Every afternoon they can begin do things every day. Check! And then some people that want to do with the people in the same country. Ambazonia beg una. We no fit work out the people in one food. We no fit do with that kind of people them. The country don't spoil. Their culture don't be corrupt. It be beyond repair. So I go take una go now for inside our war for independence. I'll play una some audio the way it be very important. So I'll try to be very, very fast. Because those materials are very important and they have never been heard before. It will give you a very good insight about what it happened. So when I also here, I want to just mention the one in passing. Ombasinjong don't do wonders. They even hide the message. When I hear the video where that these fake people that for inside Atlantic State Day, they come and say they want to go make Ombasinjong. They don't know say Ombasinjong, so you need to make lie on top of Ombasinjong. They can make fake medicine, they don't begin die all them one by one. And I will tell all man, say this our revolution is God ordained. Me no man in no play with this revolution. Any man wey don't go say the revolution, if he say Ambazonia go finish, they go come back only for their head. Ombasinjong, he don't do wonders. It stand for Ambazonia their back. He don't show them say Ambazonia come first even before God and man. So one of the important things I need to know, one of the things I want to talk about now the video we don't come up from Malindi area day. The video be very disturbing. I not go show all because it carry very damaging images them. I no want show me them no can block my Facebook page. I go pause the video. But when I see the video we show how they don't kill a boy them for inside Malindi day. I think a Malindi Bakundu, I don't know the particular Malindi. But they show how La Republic don't kill some fighter every day. The commander of that fight for this group, they call it, I think, General Carr. Now, one of the camera General Ivor become put them, they give them gun them. When I see AK-47, they don't lie for them for nothing. This boy, them, we yesterday their general don't be converted by Nambere, and I don't betray people then. So if I look the video and I see La Republic, they don't even prepare them with those heavy armor them. They can't hide for their places, they never can pass, ambush them, but they kill a lot of them. We don't hear say the general way if they that group even then for Douala. So we want call our people the way they for Douala for be very vigilant. When I remember La Republic go use not only we for Kiwi. Without collaborators, without enablers, they no fit do anything and they no fit win. So if Muna begin remember all these traitors them. Any man way there for Douala, when I see these images of these traitors, when I take the picture, if una no place where they stay for Douala or for Yaoundé, when I take their pictures them, when I send them for we go take action. Any place when I see this boy them for Douala they when I they send a kelebe them they can't kill our people them. When I give us their location, we will take action to make sure that we protect our people, because as a matter of self-defense, if you know the person they plan to kill you and they can't show place to avoid them, they kill them, we need to take action. So when I hear say JK, that 21 sin Kangwa Tit activist, he don't make a post. I don't laugh that laugh. Say it go spoil Ambazonia revolution. Now that now the people in this way they work out Sako the infiltrator and Chris Anu. Say it requires a merciful truth. What merciful truth now waiting? The boy they crazy. They talk of kind of stupid childish kind things them. It requires say merciful truth now waiting. He say our Ambazonian revolution. I destroy Ambazonian revolution, the destiny of Southern Cameroon Ambazonian revolution. So any man, imagine say you go fight war, you put your life at risk, and then you take instruction for this type of people who at a blink, because of emotions, because of little things, they will abandon the revolution. Imagine these are the type of people some of you go to listen to. Kangwa Tit boy, he say go destroy Ambazonian revolution. Maybe he be the first one to talk that one. All those people really talk this type of talk. They don't have any backbones. They don't have any track record. These are people you should not be listening to in a serious matter like our revolution. We don't see them. Now, why the way they work, they be prone for work with con men and infiltrators to destroy our revolution. When I see Sikot, we don't come out for day. Sikot Johnson. How be one of them? Two, he don't go serve for La Republic. He work now directly with La Republic. When I see the second commander for Field Marshal, he work with La Republic directly. He make video propaganda with La Republic. When I see Soft Punch away to be there together with them. He too now they work with La Republic. The campaign for La Republic. When I see Field, they have to call this other guy again. Nambere, them all be the work with them. They work with La Republic. Any man where they follow these infiltrators them. Be sure say na say it go can end with them, na say they go can turn the revolution. Because if na person where don't tear revolution, or na person where be disgruntled individuals, they no go stand for destroy the revolution, but they will just step aside. When I remember Larry Eyong, our strong Bakweri man, we get a powerful voice, he will be the first spokesperson for Skakuf. That way he be cheated, he be mistreated. He resign, he go shido quiet. When I remember Ray Baba he resigned, he go shido quiet. Yes, Sikot Yannick, I go mistake call and Sikot Johnson. So these people, these infiltrators, Ikome Sako, Chris Anu, Carl James, Prince Carl, if you are following these people or listening to their instruction, then the problem is you. Because by now you should know that these people are not working for Ambazonia. The fact that the Carl, the JK, or the Kangwa Tit go talk say he go destroy Ambazonia revolution. That conception alone go supposed to give una enough information about these individuals. But all the traitors will face justice. The traitors will face justice. We don't also hear say attack them go on for inside Cushing for Menchum. The fight at about Cushing, they be talk with me very well before. But because of this, their kind of politics, I don't know what will happen with them. They don't really communicate with people them. Well, so Tiger One, the handle them, who pray for their success and support them. People that media will support them also, but I don't know what to talk again. Last time we come out can take action right for whom? Because we see the way the communication not be the worker. We need to allow our forces the media to communicate. I mean, Oman be in one mob so that when time for help come, all we go first stand up for support them because they do a wonderful job for the. They shoot that La Republic they attack them with shell. They use them bororo they attack them for the. So we stand together with our forces the way they for Menchum. So we will go now for the thing the way it really matter for the men, the clocks them for the matter. I not go time for give una the update we happen for United Nations, but I will go for the Bui massacre. So that we will finish fast. I be talk say we no go pass 2 hours. So when I hear about the massacre where it take place for inside the great state of Bui, I will play on some audio them from our commanders and for they for give una very detailed information about what really happened for day. Okay, sorry, I getting us some message really come from our people for down. So what you wanna need to understand? Now say for Bui, they never only install this Bui Council or Bui worldwide for use them for manipulate and get control over the forces them for ground, but they don't get too much control. So they now it don't become now a CPD and party forces. The Bui warrior now they be used not only for fight against Ambazonia, but they use them as well for fight against the SDF. Some of the SDF, the way they be help for penetrate the soldier them for bring them for create that Bui warrior then too, they don't begin kick them out. That means that they don't begin get infighting for inside the people they control the Bui warriors. You guess big CPD and Banso people they for Douala for Yaoundé way now they don't take control over that Bui warriors them. They don't begin use them for fight against family them way they be support SDF traditionally for inside Bui. Now give me a moment ma check that audio then press with it. So I will play some audio then very important audio then what I say go already give una a very good idea of what is happening in Bui. First of all, I want to salute our general, our overall commander for the great state of Bui, General Hassan. He's a very powerful man. He is a King Kong of Bui. I want to salute General Kapura, our lion of Bui, and General Ebube, king of the forest, Labista, no mercy, no mercy, no mercy. I want to salute no mercy and all our commander for inside Bui day. For inside Bui, I salute una cafe then they for up. So what's the way it happen for Bui? They come where it be there for inside Mbokam. When I see the video them, they picture them for inside Mbokam. Where they don't kill our people them. Now the picture and that and some of the picture. I don't know why Facebook will block my Facebook now. They'll use one like a motif for taking even my preview for my Facebook. But the attack will happen for Mbokam. It already show the Bui people them the extent to which our revolution can be compromised. Would I even here say the phone they don't force the people but they meet and station march say they no one Ambazonia for inside Mbokam day. But how did we get to this place where the population allow La Republic du Cameroon for can enter for this to take key people there? They come, the main camp will be there for inside this place for Mbokam. It will be installed by our general. It was an ADF camp that was bought over by Chacha. When I remember our big commander, one of our strongest commander there for inside Bui, Commander No Mercy. Commander No Mercy be installed this camp for ADF for day, train the Pekin them put them for day, then go fight very well for inside Kumbu. They should take out police station for the police and run for Kumbu. Go join our gendarme, their brigade. They done the fight for them very, very well. They don't compromise these people them. And what's the way they do now say when they can buy our forces then like this one. Chacha camp for they can't move our commander away day for day. Put another commander, move another commander. You go always see say they move commander, then put another one where they want them. Move another commander because the one and only commander where he like money, where you go feed the year where they talk. And usually they go abandon all these soldiers them to themselves because the outcome will be predictable. When you abandon people that were gone with no supervision, you are not taking responsibility of their actions, you are not supervising them, you are not making sure that they are in line with any code of conduct. They will start to turn against the local population and exactly what that will happen for inside Bui. Sute iran reach extent where they begin to turn na kidnappers them, they don't turn na rapers them, they don't begin enter for people that plot problem. Sute the population for that area, they allow Ekelebe the mean and can go attack them. Because people then see them, we don't talk to people then see how Ekelebe they come for day, but then she done them quiet. So this one they show now how they key people then for Bui. And there is a massive cover-up. There is a massive cover-up. Before I get to the massive cover-up what is happening in Bui, in Bokam because there have been a massacre there worse than what happened in Gabu. Worse than what happened in Gabu. A Katakis have been killed. The number 2 of the Soft Palace have been killed. Because La Republic, when they come, but they say the one can kill those boys, they need to can't kill them. She don't quite. They don't come up, but they go kill other people them again. I will give una wait to wait happen for day. But wait till I want me the people that understand and say, me the people that saw, una ask una self. The question one need to ask una self and say, the Ambazonian boys them or the Amber boy them for inside Bui, were they more disciplined when they be under ADF or not? Una ask una self, do they up they be protect una or not? They be give una warning for una population when like Ekelebe they camp or not. Una ask una self. Because they don't come for una, but they can deceive una say ADF na a private army. Make una follow una government. Because then feel say una never go book. Una need to talk pidgin self. Then feel say bunch of people they need to understand simple. They don't get mind for know the truth from lies. So then bring the idea say ADF na a private army. It better una go join a government. So that make una they go deceive una. Na a poisonous ideology, and I hope say the people that saw una go back, una go talk for una people that say there is nothing like a government. For make a una picking and come back for discipline. Me then take their right inside their hand, make sure say them be disciplined and they protect the population. The one the way they come for diaspora say they want take them only for begin save money for chop, and then they abandon them, they need to take responsibility for what did that happen. How many of the Bui people they don't cry they picking their die? How many of them don't cry they picking their die? They don't wrong she don't land, they say no man over die. Now they picking their mommy they cry. But when I see for we area would take responsibility for our soldier them, for good or for bad, would take full responsibility. So if you have a ground zero, they the full and someone go fight for county by county, local government by local government, and the people are exposing you to all your country people to know your camps, know your location, so that you are vulnerable for La Republique du Cameroon attack. And yet they send you to go. They don't take responsibility for your action. They take credit, but they don't take responsibility for your actions. And they are sending you to go and kidnap people. They are unable to announce it in public. Like we, the ADF, we announce our people we want to attack or arrest in public. Do not fall for that mistake again. Do not fall for that mistake. One of the people the way they ran die for inside Buiwo ran Yeram. Now one of the big people that for inside Palace for day. Now five Kili, five talk as they call it. He ran die too for inside Bui. Now this way they bury him. Now number 2 this for Fun Palace. And they ask and say, Honorable Weber, who say you there? Now I'm supposed to stand cry me the whole war see me all bands of people and see what it happen for our village. Cardinal to me his eminence, who say you there? Now our villages. This Mandela na ide like the interim fund for inside Banso. They don't hide and they never even announce them for news. They don't kill Katakis. Gaston, the Katakis for Bui, they don't kill the Katakis. Una be go fisa, una go bring La Republique. Me they can't kill people them. They can't spare una. Una see na this. Now number 2 this for Palace for Banso. Number 2. Now Kiai had the quarter village. Some place they call and Kiai. It don't become now a base for La Republique. Now for there they can begin kill una people them. Rebuna begin thief goat them, thief foul them where they know they pay money. Now the kind thing in that way they go bring them for inside Bui. So fight and die. We yesterday ranky 5 kwe they coin and talk. Number 2 for fun for Palace the ranky and either way they bury them. Katakis the ranky Katakis. No man about talk them bury them for Jakiri. They don't carry body go bury them for Jakiri. They need to want me come up for news. But as we say the revolution shall not be televised. So I go bring una. We will try our best for talk about this massacre. And the reason why the people the way they don't pay money for those soldiers them, then get their phone number. They can easily get the images of this massacre and put it in the international community. But the reason they did not want to put the massacre in Bukam the way it was supposed to be is because they were afraid of UNUCO, the meeting in the United Nations Security Council. Their handlers in Douala and Yaoundé that we know are controlling them, they have suppressed that news. So I will give una some information now. What I say be very important.
Now we choose you for that work.
So this one a communication between our General Ebube and the infiltrator. Ma bring up our General Ebube picture for up. General Ebube, that king of the forest. And this infiltrator, ma look in name that Elvis Vunzika, I don't know what I picture except there for here. But I'll keep the picture aside. So this audio them go give Ambazonia the truth and fact about what is happening in Bui. So that every son and daughter of Bui will not cry tomorrow and say that had I known. There will be a massive, I talk again, there will be a massive retaliation for the kidnapping of the family members of General Hassan. We don't want them already because the soldier them, they will go on this spray and will not go fit do anything about them. Any man way there for the Bui war worldwide. When I feel so, when I feel hide for diaspora, when I send people in the middle and go kill other people with their family, feel so, when I will go free. No, it not will happen that way. So for the audio them, the first one, General Ebube, he asks and say, now who give the visa where they call themselves IG, the power for first make general them for day because even the church and the Bibina ADF, their bodyguard them. So now here.
Now we choose you for that work. We be elect you say me the Jewish people them. Some come be there for this we say me the go work at the cash commanders them, the cash any man the killer. You see I be putting back a smoke at them for forum. Now the highest thing that way they do for Bush. You don't know people where they work at the kidnap people them for forum.
So General Ebube, he addressed na that Vezika Elvis where they were Germany, that infiltrator. Where he talk say he don't appoint, na he be appoint General Chacha, me begin go around for begin bring order for calms them. Now way General Ebube I say appoint like who are you? And they be accuse General Ebube say share video picture for inside chat where people they smoke banger. When I know say banger be very good for calm down people that nerve. So soldier then be allowed for smoke banger. Banger no be bad thing. But I said they need for smoke and for the right time. If you get stressed for work or stress for war, if you smoke your banger, she don't, but no go smoke banger tell you go fight. So Moguna here they want use the issue concerning banger for attack our forces them. But move forget about that one, map play the one the way it matter, Moguna here.
Check around that go phone. Yeah,
so now the business is top. When I know the fool, if you want try for intimidate our people, then why you want talk like person way they for abroad, when I know they can't put it they come abroad. They feel say na the language. If he say by making a voice like that, they so that they respect the man will come abroad. So me wanna hear.
The two people in this way went until the back and no sitting.
So it go this audio them it go establish some fact, me be indisputable, because our people then be so gullible where they need for establish until again and again and then nail and find me then know I'm once and for all say these are the facts about Bui, these are the truth. That may be inconvenient, but it is true. Listen.
They will handle them and they will solve them. So, things around the back, they go how they go. We try to say, okay, how we will do first of all, bring peace amongst one, so that when I don't start to build that trust, then if you go back and say, okay, but now really who they really get this stick them. The stick that they hide that foresight. Even so one time, General Kapo, if you try to become make peace with you, or it take Kapo stick down for you. I never know how Kapo stick in for you. So I just take Kapo say, okay, mate.
So the subject where they go on for the discussion as serity. General Ebube, be asking for them, say, una give back all our gun the one be done season. Una they talk so una take una gun them, 5 gun them. Now, how many ADF gun them una don't take them? We tell us that these people have seized more than 200 weapons. All those weapons, then you know the same with their soldier them. They don't take them all get back for La Republic, including the weapons the way they be seizing for our forces them, the 23 soldiers the way they be catching for inside the all those weapons them, they don't use their back door, get back for La Republic. When I go ask them, they show that same weapon, the what I did today. Most of their fighter them, they don't run go for Nigeria. Mr. Christopher Magna, I will block you from this platform if you are saying this rubbish. Elvis is an infiltrator. He is working for the Cameroon military. We are judging him by his action, and we have established that beyond reasonable doubt. So let me explain to our people so that they will get the facts and they will make that conclusion by themselves. Go and ask the Elvis, where are the weapons? So now listen very well. Now continue.
Well, anyway, that question, a question where I think say now we know for David answer them. Because never saying a person need to choose person for some work. We all know so we support each other and we work together with each other. And I never one time we in church I don't work or we not work.
When I hear you talk about when chat.
So when you want to ask that kind of question, say I will choose you for that work. Like say man get to choose one for some work before man don't know. But that one don't pass. I want them more concentrate on what will happen now and what will be the way forward. I don't ask you the question before I even want that situation where my attack will ever happen. When I will ask you a question, I say what will be the issue, what will be the question, what you want me to do.
Yeah, you want bribe a soldier, when I hear.
Okay, you want to say me all man die before things will don't solve the problem. That's how we will solve the problem. I don't think so. I don't say me and then have here, I'm not there for ground. Yeah, so I don't feel understand all the way they happen today. But either way, we'll get to talk to solve this problem now.
When I hear the solution where do you want to bring them, I'll play a maybe
when I hear. Solve problem.
When I know we believe in transparency, I'll give you guys the truth. Now listen.
Yeah, anyway. I just want to know sir to still wait for your reply. How you want me to arrange this issue.
So now after we run sample them, where they first the run travel car attack, we run sample them. Now all the need the same and say want solve this issue with talking. You remember these guys them, unlike we the ADF, we the hierarchy for the ADF. When we want to discuss with these soldiers, them we need to undermine their leadership or go talk with their soldiers directly. We talk with their leadership because we respect leadership. Before we even talk with their soldier them, at least so that make we be in the same page. But the fraudster, the John we go talk to our soldier them, but what we no mind. Because our soldiers then get their mind of their own and they know, they believe in our ideology. So now listen.
Captain, do everything as you do your honor for outside country. We do for ground. Now we see thing where it is show. And the highest thing we solve the problem in security. Say me they bring all my weapons down. All. No one can look for them for outside. If not, then maybe.
Nadia, say me then give back all our weapons. That message have been transmitted to Elvis. Una here?
Yeah, anyway, I don't hear you. But my question, I say, time we your weapon will be taken. I know say church will do everything for retrieve someone. It bring how many back? From the 80.
Yeah, from the 80. Yeah, only for one of our ADF camp, Ebube camp, then seize 80 guns. Can you imagine who does that? That is disarmament. And it claim for toxic, they don't even know where those weapons are. They are collecting weapons and returning it to La Republic. My player again gonna hear. Una think I'm gonna say.
I don't hear you. But my question, I say, time we your weapon will be taken. I know say church will do everything for retrieve someone. It bring how many back? From the 80.
Yeah, 80 weapons them.
That going in terms of money. Now how much money?
Yeah.
Because on that.
Yeah. Now he want bribe. He want talk about money. Say me they calculate how much that 80 gun then he go pay. Because they know so when they introduce about money, they say they take and cash our soldiers over here.
Calculate now money wise. If na say me you calculate that gun in terms of money, now how much?
So if you ask me what soldier ask na money now, say calculate them any money we want them we go give that money We don't go on them. Now, yeah.
And is it the same weapon they
Okay, Captain. I don't hear you fine. But you know, then as everything. My local gun them the Bima 88. Church of Doom 5. It remain 83. My AK them 3. My pump action them. The B6 they come again for back. Can't take 2 for my. Means my pump action them there with them. 8. My AK 3. My local gun them 5 round with 2 round 1 round them 83.
Una the year? Those are weapons confiscated in one ADF camp, the camp of General Ebube. How many? 88 weapons, local guns them. That means a 5 round guns them with 2 round guns them. 88. 3 AK-47. 8 pump action, because if you take 5 pump action, they can take another 3 pump action. So this one are the thing the way they seize them only for Ebube camp. Only for Ebube camp. So when they can't stand the talk, say they want me ADF give back their weapon, this and this. When I remember these things, so now hear very clearly.
And I know Bishop said the fight with woman, the fight with.
Now you what generally tell you, I'm not interested in your money. I'm not interested.
5 round with 2 round 1 round them 83. And I know Bishop said the fight with woman, the fight with a weapon.
So now the thing in that way happen, that way church have become, they come en mass, where people then be vulnerable, they see them, they like now our brothers them, then come for day, they come inside population, they come for day, our soldiers then lay down their gun, then seize their weapons them, then disarm them. So now, when they come, we answer with fire, at least we don't know where to wait it happen. But this one have established for now, wait to wait, these people they don't do them, the disarmament, trick them where they do them for inside our territory.
And is it the same weapon they
Okay,
yeah, everybody, that one not true. They fight war on a weapon. But if you don't get money, you're not going to be able to buy the weapon. Even when you buy the weapon, you still get to buy the granite. The reason why they ask them,
so
because I don't know what kind of magic I can do to get back all that still the way anymore.
So if you want to inject money, because the general Alante say, we no want our money, we want our weapon. Then if the talk say, no, even if you no one buy, they need to fight gun or weapon, even granite, no be granite need money. You know what money? You know what money? Say if show money for front or general face. When I hear.
Okay. Thing then as it for know how they will solve the problem, now only for calculate that weapon the way I don't tell you so. Give them money for person where we take charge of position. May buy the weapon then bring them back. I don't know for touch any money. I dey wait my weapon then. Continue then as it. My Remy has done already born. Thing remain as it. Say me I die, and before I won't die, make people then die.
Now yeah?
And that one I showcase. If I don't see my weapon them, the only thing I die. This now the solution that I only die.
When I hear, if they not give those weapons, after those weapons that are being taken from our soldiers, disarm them completely, then go now, they don't go burn the house of General Ebube. So it don't deliver the message. So when I will start sitting there, it happen, big man no complain. Ma continue the messages, more when I hear how he go put this infiltrator for a chair. Ma play the other audio, the more I hear.
Okay, good morning, Captain. Good General. Now today when I know say the face of problem by talking, oh, now today you know say the 6% weapon. Oh, my own no be been a weapon them. I yesterday go born my Remy house. no be under them get matches. You know, make a middle know. No place where they go. I don't see nothing for key person, na bad thing. Time for key na me. It ever be like say they go key na foul. No be so na they ever think when you dey talk na say me they go key everywhere. You know they ever check whether they go key na foul. When it don't happen now, for people that where they go na the see and say na King call them. Now for them na the see and say something don't happen. I want make a man understand one thing. No say place where my weapon and day because must come back. All.
Nadia. So General Bube, that I'll continue the message and I hear them. They don't kidnap our General Hassan, the family member them. Born General Bube house. And they don't threaten, we don't give enough time for those members that will be released. They never be released. Up to now. So now continue.
Yes, when I ever take time to talk for that side, to give commands, and me they do so, me they kid the one for Banso, me they kid the one for Nigeria. Now because when I did for outside country, when I come for a more fight, when I come for ground, when I come for ground, I can know who be.
Yeah, I appreciate your honesty. But I never ever talk to anybody go kill anybody.
Now you're a thief.
If not, you know, say you would only by nonsense. You know, you would do that. That way I would beg church at them. Make peace.
Yeah, they one of the lie where they do one time for talking and say they be done make peace with Chacha and Ebube, and then they no be make peace with Ebube and Manu Tiger. Now why that way Manu Tiger died? So they one try to go blame the death for Manu Tiger with some personal problem. There was no personal problem, because that is what they are trying to do with their members. They are trying to justify what is happening, and they are deceiving their gullible members that it is because Ebube was not having, he hated Manu Tiger. No. Muna continue. Yeah, you want to talk say na he be save Ebube life. You the same people that made them go catch people. Then talk say me now you come back and rescue them. It is like phobia. You arrest people and go put them in prison. Them who support the same you release those people. Then you release them. Them you feel will even start clapping for you. When I hear.
I can make peace. I be glad. But to me, the next man I say you and Manu Tiger never make peace. Or I never understand which kind of problem you and Manu Tiger get them. And the problem me I never fit solve. So for you for beginning talk, say when they talk with the gang man, ask Kapo, that way they take Kapo. Now who will make sure say make no nothing happen Kapo? I be call Kapo every day to make sure someone try my best possible thing for bringing peace.
When I hear peace, the communist style. He peace where they talk about the communist style. Say he catch Kapo. He send people they meet and go catch Kapo. Then every day they call Kapo. The peace where they talk and say, me they Kapo them, then come under them. Me they Kapo them, they abandon their structure, they abandon which way they fight for, and then come under them so that they go feel manipulate them, use them. Now the peace that way they talk. When I hear me or General Ebube answer it directly. No, but with the answer, no man they put more for a walk for him up. Now General Ebube, king of the forest, in himself, the response for ye.
Captain, forget that thing the way they talk so. No, they just say people and be the foolish people them. No, they just say because I not go for one man country, mean I say I no get sense. You know. When maybe I ask my gun them remove me for Bureau. Because I be pick that gun and I pick and no be so. No ever see people them like blind people them, you know. I think that was what they when you talk with person, they take and go talk with different man for background. Say me go do that so. You see me like blind man. No man, no ever try. I want me to me say maybe don't ever say me and no nothing. Na ma Satan the pass on on. I want me to me no so. They should never win damage. How many bullet before you deny for Inter? You want to tell me say that you be save me? You be a God? No ever try one day.
You know, yeah? So, he talks saying, he save Ebube. These people. First way, they don't catch Ebube. Shoot Ebube. If you see this general is king, you go, sorry. Kind bullet woman, they rush shoot her anyhow, me die. Beat them, torture them. Keep her under coat, put her under mosquito place, you know, die. He run, come out. Today, he talks saying, he save it. Now he sorry. Satan.
Yeah, everywhere. I don't move you for forum because of Gundam. I move you for forum because you picking them way at the small banger advertise our forum. I tell you, should make you move that video.
Yeah, see the yeah, the infiltrator. So then get the chat group for Bue. They will put all the people that were inside Bue and all the day for day. So General Bube can't start begin asking Gundam for that chat group. So when I give my Gundam, we never even talk about General Kaporai own gun the way they take him. We never even talk about General Nginyam. He found the way he weapon the way they don't take him. They will never even talk him. His sniper rifle and all those things. They will never even talk. They want only General Bubi. So when we tell now, say what weapon the way that people they don't disarm him. Well, the Republican disarm him for we through this guy them. It go more than 200 weapons there. And all those weapons them, you know, they will the Bui warrior them. They never take that weapon and say they will go fight La Republic to challenge them. No. Instead, they don't carry and get them back for La Republic. They don't abandon their people them without supervision. For deliberately allow them and turn against the population. They don't use this county by county thing, local government, as a means for lure fighters them and expose them to their community. So that means all man no place to fight and then they, who start they stay, which family they then come out. Isolate them, the one the way they will fight for the other area, then meet and come back for their village. Under this structure them so that they will be exposed for be disarmed both psychologically because when their own country people and they talk, they manipulate them. Now say they take them but disarm them. I welcome our great powerful woman when I for our back in that kind of group. I know you talk and me put them to worry you. So now say they don't take and destroy Buide. So now they other than that, I hope say by now we don't know the perpetrator them for fighting against Ambazonia them for inside Bui. Now this Bui warrior them, they don't disarm Ambazonian defense forces them for Bui with more than 200 weapons. We don't hear both from Ebube and the Evisa they don't confirm this figure for only one camp where they become for the Uchacha. Pretend they say that their brother them when they enter for them arrest them, carry all weapons them. Only for Ebube alone. How many guns? 5 round guns and 3 round guns. 88 of those guns them. They don't return only 5 back. 88 weapons them. How many AK-47 the way they take over there? How many pump action them? Then go even for Garbu. What general from Garbu? Then go disarm for them before 1 month before the fighting. The one can keep people from Garbu. They don't disarm our general for them. So they become out go now for some other base for them for go do training. Then disarm Garbu. Then go for Amazonia. I don't get enough time. But I don't see some of they go say something for me. They ask and say, "Tudon Gumbaran talks with it. Tudon Gumbaran talks with it." If by now our people them, they see go for infiltrator them, for go get information, for go listen them, curiosity go kill the rat. There is nothing good that can come out. You can go to listen to a Tanji Paul. Amazonia. That means okay, my work is not yet done. Because I be feel say by now we go down move the ball for raise our people their awareness on how this thing to be done so that when I go no place when I get information, when I no place when I know we go get information. The same like Mr. Eric. That way be can knock drum for day. Pundum. Sakona Tifman. I be tell now. Say whatever he's doing, the intention is to mislead you people. And now he wants to mislead you to what he's trying to do. Calling himself what type of title he's calling himself. He was just trying to mislead you, lure you to get your attention because I had already told you that Sako is a thief. When I was saying Sako was a thief, they were the ones protecting him. They were the ones providing him political cover. They were the ones advertising him and assisting him to steal your money. Today they want to come and pretend that they were not part of that same group. They are not part of that same group. If they were not part of that same group, they would be assisting Mr. Yerima. But they are not. I will not waste my time to dwell on that. But around here today, the dancing come again. The same man where Inobino say Red Lions of Alabukam na ADF. The same man they can't talk say ADF don't carry action for on his behalf. Nyamfuka. First of all, I want to thank our general for the Bamenda Brigade for the wonderful job they done do. Within a short period of time, the Commander-in-Chief, Dr. Cho Ayaba, talks to me they attack some critical infrastructure for cut light and water, for upstation, for army camp, and for GRA, for make sure say me the software people that go on for downtown, me then 2 film for day. Within a short period of time, our soldiers then launch action them for around that side for Brassaris area day, and for some other side, there was no need for talking because that action, you know, will be complete 100%. They ran disrupt light already for Bamenda. Right now, the light one are the same for Bamenda. Now, through generator. So, make the cost of occupation me high. They come for some one point, even cut, they not even put the generator on. They level me light then for upstation. For try for manipulate the people, their mindset. But our operation for instance Bamenda it go on and it go on very fastly and very successfully. I know we come online for social media every day because they work over too much. We get too much work for coordinate. So when I need to see me they come online, me the other one the way the one can take advantage for this for which way they go on, no problem. The most important thing is me the action that they go on successfully, me the coordination that they go on, me the boy that they give which way they need them, and me gonna do they do una part for donate for them. Me gonna not be distracted and be misled. When I put on money because those boys they need that money. They need that money. Also, La Republique du Cameroon they ran launch attack for our camp for Hawaii. Hawaii now there's some small village where we move our main camp will be there for inside Kugwe, we go put them for day. So the La Republique launched a full-blown attack, surprise attack. They ran kill 2 of our soldiers them. We ran repair that attack. We still try to locate their body. Them we never see their body then yet. We will try to recover their body, their dead body, them bury them properly, and we'll inform on our due time. We'll get 4 soldiers where them be wounded, seriously wounded, and 2 where them be lightly wounded. We'll fight La Republique for this, so we'll push them back, then go back, then surprise them. We outnumber La Republique, we outgun La Republique, and we drove them away from our main camp that they want to attack. We are flexible, we can remove that camp today, tomorrow, anytime we choose. They decided to come back through another route to attack our camp again. We still fought them and we repelled them, and those same troops they have now turned to go and attack the TTA. That is what has happened. We don't hear they want some people they want to manipulate the story them, but because an ongoing thing, we not go hear it for give una full information, but una trust me, as soon as the fighting go down, as soon as we feel say be good time enough, we go come for una give una the detail of those military operations and where they go on across our national territory. Our forces are fine. We have more forces today than we had before. We have more intelligent officers on the ground than we had before. We have more sleeper cells and more specialized units than we have before. You need to do your part. Go to www.ttof and .net and donate us. If you know if you donate and they contact Mama Wali. We need that money. We need that money sharp. Money will plan ahead of time. I know we'll tell you how many months ahead of time we'll plan, but we'll plan ahead of time. When I hella women will do a job for liberate our country. When I see Dr. Cho Ayaba, he don't lay out the plan for una diplomatically. When I see our leadership for Ground Zero, how they work, the coordination, how they work. ADF is a force you can trust. Trust us to get the job done. And for the forces, when I see what will happen for inside Ngokitunja, for Ngokitunja, the way UN office come for them, I play the video. Me gonna see them. For instance, Ngokitunja, when I see a UN office, that they moto come for day. I'm not sure around explain for now what happen for day, so that me gonna understand very well.
To Ngokitunja. Welcome to Ngokitunja. Yes. Now the questions I have to ask you people, please, if you give me the chance to ask you the questions. Yeah, this is the United Nations. Sir, please, can I ask you questions, please? Sure, go ahead. Yeah, okay. This is Ngokitunja, I hope you know.
So when I see now Ambazonian forces in this Ngokitunja, they meet up the UN, they allow the UN to go. When I remember the job for infiltrator them, They be the ones set up our forces them for ground zero for isolate us and for give a bad image for we so that La Republic will use them for international community for destroy it. But I remember Gideon very well. The so-called, the former spokesperson of the IG. Christian, I remember the instruction he gave to the soldiers. I play the video.
The height of international hypocrisy and conspiracy. This is the moment to confiscate anything and everything United Nations has on the ground in our territory. Every United Nations official or piece of equipment that is seen moving or standing anywhere in Ambazonia must be hurriedly, and I mean hurriedly, confiscated.
So now here the job for infiltrator. Now either Chris Anu, they fired the former spokesperson where Sissoko don't fire him because na infiltrator. They be the try to set up our soldiers and for ground zero for terror. They say me then confiscate every equipment. If they be the follow on the instruction for the infiltrator, then when I know the problem where they for that put for inside. Those soldiers are not connected with these people. They have realized themselves they are not taking instruction from these people who want to set us up for failure. They have sold Ambazonia to La Republic and they are trying to set our soldiers up so that it will destroy us. This is what they are trying to do. Now why don't La Republic they put them, give them microphone for BBC, any place, mean that they go talk for this so that they go set us up to fail for failure. And I job that the job of infiltrators. So when I see them very well wait to it happen, wait to it these people that they do them. Today I want to give you the information again about this the French ambassador becoming the spokesperson of the Cameroon. I'm not sure we'll get time.
Following the death of one of your colleagues, Samuel Ouazizi.
So now the French government it don't take over the French ambassador. It don't take over charge for La Republique. So you get the two factions where they fight for it. What a shame.
So the president told me that he would direct an investigation.
What a shame. Say now French man they speak on behalf of La Republique. Wata we no dey with again. Ambazonia have gone. Bye bye. Bye bye. We are gone. So make a level. I know we get time for bring on this issue for talking very well. But we don't come together, we don't come for the end of this show. I think it don't take over the 2 hours time. Time is not correct. I'm going to give you an update about what really happened. For we would at least give you the facts so that when I get the facts. Those people have disarmed our fighters on behalf of La Republique. All the weapons that they disarm are no longer on the ground, are not in action. That is why you cannot see them. Most of their forces already have realized themselves and they have run into Nigeria. The few ones that are there, the reason they are calling for help is because they don't have forces there that listens to them. Now the forces, the Bui warriors, which was set up by conspiracy between the CPDM and SDF people on behalf of La Republique, are now disintegrating in a manner that they are now using it to deal with the SDF who lost the council election. So anybody who was supporting the SDF in Bui, they are targeting their family. So the last thing I will say out there is to remind everybody who is in that Bui warrior thing that the action you guys have taken to kidnap the family of General Hassan, to burn the house of General Ebube, you will regret it. The earlier the better. You call those your dogs and ask them to let go of the family members, most of whom are elderly citizens. There is a baby there, there is a woman there who is I don't know if she's pregnant or not, but there are 2 women there, 2 elderly men, and many more people who have been kidnapped there in the hunts to catch our soldiers. We are in our barracks. We don't have any intention to go out there, but we will not be responsible for the actions that will be carried out by those forces because of these actions that you guys have carried out. They have said it, I've played the audio, everybody have heard it. They don't talk for us, then 2 carry matches. No man will be spared there. So another thing when I will remember the 5 where they don't kill him for inside then talk. For inside boy where they don't kill for boy where they don't kill him. They hide him for Tokam. The Katakis where they don't kill him, they hide him for Tokam. There is a massacre going on there and we must fight as our life depends on it. We'll be very satisfied. This platform, I'm speaking as an activist, not as a member of the ADF. As an activist, we are very satisfied with the Onoko, the discussion that went on in the United Nations Security Council, because I have not had full briefing from the AGOVC, but from the indication of Dr. Cho Ayaba's speech, it can give a lot of insight already. For tell us we discuss already with the international community already in a very, very high level. But we need to focus on our fighting, because we know they expect anything to come in a plate. Nothing should come to us like a gift. Let us fight and liberate our country. So now help us to do our job. The approach being used to address the humanitarian crisis, the case of Wazizi, the case of all those people that the Cameroon government have promised that they will prosecute, and they are not prosecuting, to demonstrate to the international community that this is systemic. And we hope that His Eminence Cardinal Tumi will rise up to the occasion and speak the truth. They deceive you, and Gabu have happened, now Mbokam have happened, and many more will still happen. Because these mad dogs from La Republique, these Bulu Beti people, they don't have any respect for human rights, for human dignity. We have seen how they treat their own people. How will they continue to treat us? Is very predictable. So may God bless Una. All Una place them day. Our soldier of Ground Zero will salute Una, will stand together with Una. Our POW them will remember Una. Our people them for forest will remember Una. Our one the way they dango for refugee for Nigeria, the one that was Cyprus, the one the way they see process asylum where they don't run war, will remember Una. Any small thing we did for Una hand, me will not forget for send them back. Me will send them for that boy that meet and get him to protect the one the way they remain for Ambazonia. May God bless Una. Una keep the intelligence coming for all those legitimate targets of La Republique, for Douala, Yaoundé, all the infiltrators Una send the information, and for Ambazonia, for La Republique, their movements, the movement for enablers and collaborators and black legs, Una send their information them. May our soldiers they go act on them appropriately. May God bless Una. Ciao.